I love being on the panel today. We talked about how you recruit a diverse talent pool. And if people weren't here today and they wanted to know kind of a summary of what we discussed, we said that every single day there's a pilot retiring from a major airline. Some airlines, there are 2 pilots a day retiring. We need 100,000 pilots in the next 20 years. United Airlines has started a very visionary program called Aviate, and that program is designed to hire 5,000 people, half of which are women and people of color by the end of the decade. I started the Jet Black Foundation, and my goal is a book, which I wrote, historical fiction about Bessie Coleman, movie, and I went and sent 100 black women to flight school, jetblack.org, and my book is called A Pair of Wings.